Hello children, welcome to K.R. Lakkam Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class, we have solved the exercise of lesson number 9 and today let us start the lesson number 10, days, months and years. You know very well about the days. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. What are those? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. And how the year will form, that all things we will learn in the lesson. Let us learn about. In this lesson we will learn about time, what is a day, what is a year. Do you remember when is your birthday? They have given blank. So when will be your birthday every year? When you are going to celebrate your birthday? That day, month and the year. Which day you have born, no, that day and month you write it. Suppose any one child born on 15th July. So 15th July you write it. On which day or days of the week do you have your games period in school? So as per my knowledge, there will be 2 periods of games. Any 2 days you write it. One, on which day is Christmas celebrated? 25th December of every year. So we will celebrate the Christmas celebrate. Come to the lesson. Every day we do different activities at the same time. We go to school in the morning, we eat lunch in the afternoon and we go to bed at night. So in our daily life we will have many activities till morning to till evening. From morning to till evening. So morning we will get up, we'll have brush, we'll have bath and we'll get ready to school and we'll go to school. Before that we'll have breakfast and we'll attend the classes. Afternoon we'll have lunch also and we'll come back in the evening to home and we will have some activities at home also, watching TV, writing homework and all, and then at the night we will go to bed. These all are the activities throughout the day which will done by us. So night, evening, morning, night, these all will be depends on the time. Okay? Time. So let us know about time. Time can be measured in terms of hours, minutes and seconds. So basically time will be measured in the basic is seconds and then minutes and then hours. So 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Yes, like that 30 or 31 days is equal to 1 month and 365 days is equal to 1 year. This is all the terms where we will calculate the days, time and everything. A watch or a clock tells us the time. It mostly has 2 hands. You know very well about clock. I'll show you. This is an instrument which tells about time. Okay? Many types of clocks are there. Some are in spherical shape, some are in square shape, different shapes. So 12, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11. There will be 3 hands. One is second hand. Okay. One hand will be very long and very thin, that is second hand, and it will move very fast. Okay. Then there will be 1 minute hand. Compared to second hand, this will be little thick. Okay. And this will also, this moves little slower than the second hand. There will be another 1 hand, that is hour hand. Okay. This also will be thick one and very shortest hand. So very shortest hand in the clock is hour hand, as well as it moves very slow compared to remaining both hands. So very smallest one, very shortest one is hour hand. This explains about hour. Okay. Little thick and the big long one is minute hand. This moves faster than hour hand. And another third one is second hand. This will be very long and thin and it explains about seconds. This revolves 60 times in a minute. Okay, if it revolves one time, 1 minute will happen. If it move second hand from this to here, that will be 1 second. So third second, 4 second, 5 second. Like this, if it completes one round, that will become 1 minute. Okay, see, these are all the hands. A watch or a clock tells us the time. It mostly has 2 hands. The short hand of a clock shows hour. The long hand shows minutes. Sometimes one more hand called the second hand is also present. It moves 1 space every second. So if it moves 1 space, that is 1 second. Time to answer. Write the time shown by the clocks. See here they have shown some clocks in some respective times. So first hour hand is on, minute hand is on 6. Then hour hand is also on. It has to be here. They have shown it is wrong. Okay. So they have made little mistakes in this first clock. Minute hand is on 6 and hour hand is very slightly little before the minute hand, but it has to be middle of 7 and 6. Okay. So what this clock tells about the time? It means it is 6:30 or half past 6. One more we will call it as half past 6. If the minute hand has completed 1/2 round, so it means half fast. Then hour hand will tell us about the hour, so that is 6. Half past 6 or 6:30. Then second clock, the minute hand is on 12. Minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 11. types we can tell the answer. One is 8:15, 15 minutes past 8 or quarter past 8. Quarter means 15. So 15 is completed. In one circle, if you make 4 parts, this much is 1 quarter. It means 15. So quarter past 8 also we can tell. 15 minutes past 8 also we can tell, and 8:15 also we can tell. They told us to write minute hand. Where is minute hand? And where is hour hand? A. First one, A. Minute hand was on 6. It means half an hour. Half an hour. It is on 6. Number I write. And our hand is on middle of 7 and 6. Middle of 6 and 7. Then B. Here minute hand is on 12, our hand is on 11. It means it is 11 o'clock. Then last one, C. Here minute hand is on 3 and our hand is on 8. Little far from 8. So 8:15 is the answer. What is the now? Now till today, till this we have discussed about timing. Once again I will repeat about timings. So in a clock there will be 3 hands. Those are respectively, first one is second hand. It indicates about only seconds. If it moves from one place to another place, it means it is 1 second. Okay. If it completes one whole round, it means it is 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. Then second hand is minute hand. Minute hand will be little faster than the second hand. Okay. If it moves from one number to another number, it means it is 5 minutes. If it completes whole one round, that means 1 hour. Okay. It means 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. And third hand is hour hand. This will be very shortest hand, and compared to remaining both the hands, it will be very slow in moving, and it indicates about only hours. If it moves from one number to another number, it means it is 1 hour. Okay. To complete one full round, it takes 1 day. It means 24 hours. 1 day means 12 hours. It revolves 2 times in a day. It means 24 hours. Come to next. What is a day? The earth spins round and round like a top. The time taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis with respect to sun is called a day. How the day will happen? You know very well, previous class we have studied about our earth. So earth will move around it, around the sun. Yes. So to round, once if it rounds itself, it means 1 day. It takes 24 hours to complete one round on itself. So that only one round means 1 day. So 12 hours will be daytime and 12 hours will be night time. Okay, one round completes by the earth is nothing but 1 day. So it will move on its axis, days of the week. So if earth revolves 1 times, it is 1 day. In a week it will revolve 7 times, so it will happen 7 days. So in a week we will have 7 days. What are those days of the week? First one is Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. These are S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. The names of the days are based on Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. So these all are the satellites of Earth as well as planets of Earth. With the help of these, they have constructed the days. So Sun, in this, there is a word Sun. He is the star of our universe. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. If we take it in a Kannada, it will matches. Sunday means Ravivara, Ravi means sun. Somavara, Soma means Monday is related to moon. So Soma means Soma means sun, I think. Kannada to English difference. Ravi, sun. Surya. Soma, Chandra. Okay, these are indicating some planets. Sunday is for sun, moon is for Monday is for moon, like that all. Okay, remaining content. Time to answer. Which day comes before Saturday? Before Saturday? Friday will come. Okay, the day that comes after Tuesday. After Tuesday, Wednesday will come. These are the answers. Write in this, and tomorrow we will continue what is a year, number of days in a year, months in a year. These all things I will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.